All right, for program number 6, your assignment is to complete the alpha class. If you remember one of the first graphic programs that we did, you spelled out your initials on the computer. So the code that's been given to me here is the intention of the class is to assist in displaying graphic letters for a program that displays letters. The benefit of the alpha class is that you only need to specify the top left corner of the letter without any calculations where each part of the letter needs to be located. And so for this one right here, I can come back over and I am going to go through there. I need my two different libraries that we used early in the year. I've got my public class. It's going to go through there and extend my applet to push it over into my web page. And I'm going to come back over here, and this is going to determine where my different programs are going to be, or my different letters are going to be spelled out. And you'll see that it's going to go through there and change spots. So it's going to change that over to stops so that the information that I need to come back over here is going to be determined by my alpha class, which will allow me to just go through there and do just a little bit of code and place it in there so I don't have to go through the whole process of sketching this out on a piece of paper. I'm going to go ahead and do my alpha code to go through there and create that. And I'm going to pause the video for just a second. Alright, so for this one right here, I'm going to come over here and the information that I need to do, and this is a little bit more drawn out than the ones that I've done before. However, if I was going to go through there and write a program for graphics and I wanted to do it over with a bunch of different people's names, I could come over here and create a program which with the right coding, could come back over and determine this to be based on the information for each of the different letters. So for this one right here, I'm going to come back over and I'm going to take this information. My fill rectangles and all that was given to you. So what I'm doing over here is I'm going to be going back over here and taking these ones right here for spot and stop. And my information is going to come back over here and be determined here. I've got my first method that I've created. It's going to draw S. I need three different values, which are going to be the actual graphics method, and then it's going to go through there and do my XY coordinate to create it. And these are the different values that I need to pass every time I'm going to go through there and call upon that first part, which is going to be the draw S. My next part right here is going to be my draw P. Now once again, I could do this with the entire alphabet if I wanted to, and then just return different methods based on what string was input from the keyboard. So this one right here is going to draw your P. Here's where I'm going through there and determining where it's going to be drawn. And then I'm going to come back over the draw T. I'm going to fill rectangle. It's an easier shape. I'm going to draw the O. That's the information I need there. So when I come back and compile this, and I can open up my browser. And so this is what my completed output is going to look like when I run it. I take that spots, I can change this to stops. I can do that literally for just about anything that I want to go through there and doing, using kind of some object-oriented programming and being able to create those different constructors for these. So that is program number 6.